Chinese researchers claim to have created a surface-to-air missile that will far surpass its competitors with kill range of over 2,000 kilometers. The massive thrust needed for vertical launch will come from solid rocket motor, and then missile be propelled into upper atmosphere by a ramjet engine. UAE Edge Group has expressed keen interest in co-developing a customized variant of its Reach-S medium-altitude long-endurance UAV which is specifically tailored to meet the requirements of Indian Defence Force. The Reach-S is a fixed-wing drone with capability to carry payload of 120 kilograms at an altitude of 19,000 feet, at cruising speed of 80 knots. Russia has upgraded its Kh-101 cruise missile by equipping it with an enlarged warhead weighing approximately 800 kilograms to deliver even more lethal strikes on Ukraine. The Japanese government has initiated a program to build reinforced underground bomb shelters in islands of the Okinawa, anticipating war by People's Republic of China over Taiwan, that could reach its outlying southwestern islands and cause civilian casualties.